We're going to take a look at the iPhone's Mail application. If we open the Mail app, we'll be taken to our default email inbox where we can see all the emails we received for that account. If we tap on the top left-hand corner, we can go to the Mailboxes preview. Here we see the VIP list. This is new to iOS 6. Here we can quickly access mail from important people in our VIP mailbox. We can add a VIP by selecting Add VIP and finding the contact we'd like to add. If we go back to the Mailboxes preview, we can pull down to refresh and we will automatically refresh all of our email accounts. If we press Edit in the top right hand corner, we can rearrange our inboxes and we can also rearrange our accounts if we'd like to as well. Once we've arranged them the way we like them, all we have to do is press Done in the top right hand corner and our changes will be saved. If we select an email account and we go to the bottom right hand corner and press Create New Email, we'll be taken to a new message sheet. Here we can type in the name of the person we'd like to send an email to, or we can just enter in the email address if they're not in our contact book. We can then add a subject to our email. And then if we go to the body of the message, we can see that the signature for our account is already inputted, and all we have to do is start typing our message. Once we finish typing, if we tap and hold, we can select portions of the text we can cut, copy, and paste. We can get suggestions for new words, bold, italicize, or underline, or even define the word. If we press and hold in an empty area, we can select all, paste, insert photos or video, or even increase the quote level. If we wanted to insert a photo or video, select the button, find the photo that we would want, select it, and it will be automatically inserted into the body of our email. Once we're ready to send, just press the send button in the top right hand corner, select the size of the attachment we would like to send, and then once we do that, our message will automatically begin sending.